We're diving deep into one of the most anticipated fitness bands of the year, the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. From a fresh new design to improved fitness features, this tiny wearable is packing quite a punch. Design and build. The Mi Band 8 takes a stylish leap forward. Xiaomi has ditched the single-piece capsule look for a more watch-like aesthetic. The pill-shaped module now has quick-release lugs, making it easier than ever to swap out bands including leather, metal, and even necklace-style options. Display. On the front, you're getting a gorgeous 1.62-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 192 by 490 pixels. It's bright, sharp, and super responsive. The refresh rate is now 60 Hz, making animations look much smoother than before. Visibility outdoors is no issue thanks to the 600 nits peak brightness, and there's an always-on display option now, giving it a more watch-like experience. Battery life. Battery life is still a strong suit. The Mi Band 8 packs a 190 mAh battery, promising up to 16 days of usage on typical settings, and around 6 days with the always-on display enabled. Charging is done via a magnetic charger, and a full charge takes just about an hour. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi Band 8 isn't a revolutionary upgrade, but it's a refined, more mature version of a fan favorite. It adds polish to what was already an excellent fitness tracker. If you want a stylish, feature-rich wearable on a budget, the Mi Band 8 is one of the best you can get right now. Thank you so much.